Hello, friends. One more topic with respect to communication is the proofreading. See, whenever we are telling that the communication in terms of oral or maybe in a written. So when you are presenting the information in a written form, there is a need to be very careful. If something goes wrong, that will be documented. Whenever we are presenting orally, many times that may be ignored. But when we are presenting the information in a written form, that should be perfect. If anything mistake is there, because that has been stored for a long period, and that might be acting as a incredible information given from an expert. For that, whenever before going for publication of a written information or the technical information, usually this process is done, that is a proofreading. The proofreading is mainly to make the article perfect and excellent, and which is easily understandable and easily acceptable and read by the people in a rural area or maybe of any area. So that's why the proofreading is very essential in a communication, because in a written communication, proofreading play an important role to fine tune our article to make it the best. Now we will see what are all the important aspects involved in a proofreading. The proofreading is nothing but whenever we are going for a printing, the printing involves the major aspects like editing, composing. Composing means arranging the article, the lines based on that. Next comes is the proofreading. Next is the printing. And last is the duplicating and binding. See, these activities will be done to work towards to reduce the mistake before final publication. So when you go for final publication, that should not have any mistake in that, and it should be perfect enough. So then what is proofreading? The proofreading is nothing but a careful checking of errors that may occur in a text before publishing it or sharing with any person. The correction is in terms of grammar, syntax, spelling, punctuation, errors in the text will be checked, and everything will be checked to make it perfect, and it should not have any mistake in that. So the proofreading is done with the help of standard set of signs and symbols. Whenever you are going for a proofreading, it is having its own standard symbols and the signs, and based on that, the proofreading will be done. And the proofreader should not change the text as his own level, because the changing the text is mainly the authority of a author. See here, as a proofreader, his work is to check for the mistakes in terms of grammar, syntax, spelling, punctuation mark, and all those things. So that he has to check. He should not change any text during a proofreading. This proofreading was initially started by the Gutenberg. So as when the newspaper started publications in Germany. See, what are the methods of proofreading? The first is the proof is tallied with reference to the original manuscript. As soon as you give a manuscript, once it has been given for a proofreading, so that the typed material and the written material both will be given to a proofreader and tell them to check with that of the original manuscript. Whether it is same as that of the original manuscript or not, that has to be checked. And the next comes is if any mistake is there, it has to be revised and subsequent proof are read in reference to the previous corrected copy. See, if the first time it has been given and I have corrected it, the second, the proofreading will be done with the corrected copy. Again, it goes to the third, the second corrected copy will be kept and it will be corrected based on the previous, the proofreading copy. And the proof is tallied with reference to the original manuscript only. See, always whenever you do a proofreading, when it is compared with the second also, but tally will be done with the original manuscript only. And here the pages are divided into right and left. That means if in a page they have written means the center line will be put, and the lines which is coming on the left will be divided as a left one, and the lines the coming in the right will be divided in a right margin. That does not mean that whenever there is a correction is there, the left side manuscript correction will be entered in a left margin and right side manuscript correction will be entered in a right margin. And the next one is the corrections are made in the margins. Whatever the correction is done, that will not be entered in a text in between the letters, in between the words. Whatever the correction is there, that will be indicated in the margins only. They won't written in between the lines or in between the words. And usually the correction is done in a red pen. And they used to write neatly the using the correct symbols. Whenever they'll go for a proofreading, whatever the corrections they are mentioning, that symbols will be written very effectively, which is easily understandable, and the correct symbols will be used by the proofreader. Now we will next will be, once everything is over, they will check the table and photographs in a single page. That means when you are putting a table, that should be in a single page. If it is a photo, that should be in a single page. Don't mix the table and photographs with the text, because each table has to have a title and the photograph has to have a title. So that's why it has to be seen by the proofreader that it has to be in a single page. And always while doing a proofreading, they give more importance for checking this scientific name, numerical data, and local terms. There may be a chance that the scientific name may be missed, or numerical data may not be authenticated, or maybe approximate value may be there. And local terms, which is suitable and it should not create any ambiguity, should be considered in an article. That is checked very essentially. And usually whenever they are checking it for proofreading, they used to avoid word breaking. That means whenever you are writing up to is a one word. So that's why that should not be broken. Up and to should not be broken. If that is the case, the meaning will entirely change. That will be seen, the word breaking will be avoided. And they will check for the font size, title, headings, subheadings, and text, and in a declining order. That means whenever they go for proofreading, first they will check the font size, then they'll go to the title. Subtitle should be what is the font size and what should be the subheading font size, and the capitals, small letters, where they have to use. And as soon as that, they will go from top to bottom in a text while checking the for proofreading. And the heading and subheading spacing is also checked when they'll go for a proofreading, and they will going to see that where it has to be arranged, where it is in a left corner, center, or a right corner, how much it should be in a single line, double line, and if it is in a double line, what should be the space between the line, everything will be checked here. And they used to check the page number. Whenever they'll write an article, the page number is also very essential. They used to check for the page number in an article. There are different stages in a proofreading. The first proofreading stage is the galley proof. The galley proof is the first stage of proofreading. Whenever you submit an article for the publication, as soon as you submit, it is checked by the galley proofreader, and he will check each and everything, whatever I have mentioned previously. Once the galley proof is over, it will go to the author proof. That means in a galley proof, the expertise proofreader will read the article and send back to the author. And author has to revise the article as per the requirement of the publication or as per the suggestions of the proofreader. And author has to make all the corrections or change if it is required. He can revise the article. After this, once the article is ready, he has to send to the house for further correction. Once the author proof is received, they will going to go for revised proof. See, after the author proof, it will be revised proof. That is, second time correction will be done by expert proofreader, which is for the author who has sent or who has corrected his own article, done in a galley proof. Once the revised proof is over, then it will go to a frame proof. Frame proof is before printing. That is, it should suit to that frame where you are printing. So after consulting printing and binding section, the proofreader checks for the mistakes in the author proof and check the broken letters, positions of block letters, margins, page number, punctuation mark, everything he will check. Because for that frame, it has to fit. If it is not fitting, he has to adjust with that breakage, adjust the article without breaking any letter and without changing the block letters or the margin or page number like that. That will be done at the frame proof. Once the frame proof is over, then it will come to a machine proof. The machine proof, the mistake in the earlier proof is checked and corrected. And here in a machine proof, they'll give more importance for the coloring of ink and how it has to appear. What should be the color of a heading, subheading, text? Everything will be decided in a machine proof by combining the different colors for your article and how it has to appear. The font size, style, everything is decided, and where it has to be aligned in the center or a back side or in a corner side, everything will be checked here in a machine proof. Once the machine proof is over, now your article is ready for the publication. And after this 5 stage of proofreading only, the article will be sent for the publication by avoiding all the mistakes with respect to the grammar, punctuation, spelling, everything will be seen. So once they will go for the proofreading, these are all the some of the symbols used by them to indicate that. If this symbol is used, it is nothing but a delete, take out something here. See here how they will write. See, carry, it has to be deleted, should has to be deleted, and should, the word has to be removed. It is car, it is not C-A-R-R. So R has to be deleted, only car has to keep. But here the should has to be deleted only, the word has to be removed. And here the insert, or for insert, the symbol like this is used. Add something here. See here, you are afraid of, F is missing, so they have given that symbol to insert F. Like that, add space, no space, close the space. Somebody, it is a single word, should not given a space, that's why. See, like that, all these symbols are given. That is, see here, change or insert this letter. You have to change the letter or you have to insert the letter. For that also the symbol is used. See, 3 lines are used to make this as a capital letter. See here, doctor, D has to be capital. That's why it is used, underlined with the 3 line, indicating that you should do it as a capital. Make this as small letter. That's why they have put the slash. Like that, so many things are put inverted commas. And see, question mark. Is this correct? Check it. See, they are having a doubt about this, so they have put a question mark, mainly to check that whether you have written a data is correct or not. Like that. Let it stand. Space, period, lower case. How you have to write it? Is capital is there, they have put a slash, that means you have to write a lower case. It is for uppercase, that is nothing but a capital you have to write. And the insert is in between, in the upper side, and it is for a lower side. Transpose is nothing but here also given, you have to shift this word after here, that is were both. See, both were is there, you have to write were, then both has to come. Spell out word if there is any spelling mistake is there. And the next comes the insert comma and apostrophe. A single quotation mark has to be inserted here. See, they have given this mark. And a double quotation mark has to be given. See, it is for delete. Use a period here. See, you have to use a period. What is the year? Start off with Rosh Harshan. That means you have to mention a year when that period has started, that you have to write down. No paragraph. You should not write a paragraph. It has to have a continuity. Like that, so many symbols and so many indicators are used for a proofreading. See here, small capitals set in a small capitals, lowercase with initial capitals, cap set in a capital letter. Like that, set as a bold face, set superscript characters, set subscript characters. See, like this, there are several symbols are used, and that is well known to a proofreader, and it has to be known to the author also, who has sent for a proofreading also. So whenever proofreading is run, with the help of this standardized symbol, they will do this, and the proofreading is very essential when you publish an article to make your article perfect, easily understandable, clear, without any mistake, and make it as the best. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood about this proofreading.